Hello, hey there, it's me. Today I will show you how to get a domain from Namecheap and then we assign it to our website hosted to Vercel, deployed to Vercel. I will show you all the configurations you need for your domain and the DNS records and everything. But before that, don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button for more content. There is a lot this side, different demos. You can check them out, like and comment. Proceeding, what you need is to create an account with Vercel, and to create an account with Namecheap. After creating an account to Namecheap, head direct to domain name search, and then down here, let me see, just to be sure I have a specific domain that I want. Okay, it's movelog. Okay, it's movelog ssd.com. I'll search this. Okay, okay, this is it. This is what I want. After searching this, I will proceed. I will add it to cart. From my case, I already added this to cart. I can view the items on the cart, and what I want is this. Yeah, I don't need this. Okay. This is what I want, costing me about $10.16. I'm working with Ugandan shillings. I don't know, depending on your currency, you can estimate and make sure your card is set with you with the right amount. So this is what I want, just to be sure. I think that is it. Movelog ssd.com. Okay, just to be sure we on. Okay, after adding this to cart, I will they give you one can fee of 0.18. Registration is 9.98, totaling to 10.16. that's about 30 Ugandan shillings. I don't know, depending on your currency. I'll proceed to checkout, and in the checkout there are different checks. Guys, always be careful with this. You can do a 1 year or 2 years or 3 years or 4 years. For my case, I want 1 year, and I don't want the auto renew on, so I'll disable that, and I'll enable domain privacy. This is free. I will enable that. The premium DNS, I won't check all these. I won't check all these. No. And the SSL certificate, we are working with Vercel, and Vercel offers you a free SSL certificate, so you won't need that. Business email, custom emails, we don't need this. To some point after this, I think I'll make a video for Namecheap, how to configure custom emails, but for my case, I won't use this. Web hosting, I'm hosting with Vercel. I don't need all that. VPN, I don't need that. So I think our checks are only disabling the auto renew and then making sure that domain privacy is enabled. In case you have a promo code, you can use it, but then for my case I will just confirm order. So you should make sure you do have your credit card with you. So for my case, I already have my card in. I've been using it. So in case you do not have, get a card, a Visa card, feed in the details. I can edit, but I'll proceed with what I have because that's what I use with my location and everything. So I can decide to use a different account card, but then this is what I use. So I will with the receipt details, billing address. For such security reasons I won't open that, but then once you fill in the card, you just click continue, and the moment they will show you a summary of your order. You can edit your cart. You've got a free domain registration of 1 year costing to that, and then you have a free domain privacy, and the subtotal is 10.6. make sure you configure this very well. Then I will continue to pay out. Just to make sure I'm in. Okay, so we are processing your order. Okay, so they will say thank you for your purchase. Your order placed on 15th, this is complete. Use the order number if you contact our support below. So what will happen is I have my domain. Okay, I have my domain now. I have my domain. So what next? We shall proceed back to the home page, and I show you where it's listed. When I say domains, check domains, head to my account. I'll say domain list. Okay, when I say domain list, they will show me a list of all domains that I have. So I have all these active. I have all these. So this is what I've just bought right now. So what happens is I will proceed to manage. When I proceed to manage, this is where I'm going to now configure my DNS records. So what happens is I'll head to advanced DNS. After this, I will head back to Vercel. I log into my Vercel account. These are my projects. So what I need is this Move Logistics. Okay, this is what I need. This is what I'm going to assign the domain with. So I will come to settings, or I can just, okay, I will come to settings, and settings, I will proceed to domains. Okay, we have the default Vercel assigned domain, which I showed you last time how to get. So for this case, we are going to add our domain, and our domain is this. I'll just copy this, I'll paste it here, then I will say add. When you say add, you have options of add this and redirect to movelogistics.com to it. This is the recommended. There are some other options down here, but always go with this. I will say add. And the moment I add, the next thing is configuring records. We have the A records, we have the name servers. So under A records, we have this. First of all, we have this move logistics ssd.com, and then we have the www. I'll explain the difference later, but then I'll begin with this. I'll get the A records. I copy this value. Sorry. We cancel this. Okay, I will first let me first remove this. I think I'm having issues with my internet. Let me check. I think I'm back online. Okay, let me first remove this. Okay, I will as well remove this. Internet caused issues. Taking long. My god. Okay, it's out. We shall get it once again. This I will say add. I'll continue. So I was getting the A records. I copy this. Then I'll proceed to my advanced DNS records. Then I will come to add the records. I need an A record, and the host here is @ we use the @ we use @ and the IP is this. I'll check this. I'll save. After saving that, we shall need to give it some time to refresh. We have name servers this side, and then what we do is we say enable Vercel DNS. We do this. After enabling Vercel DNS, we shall have these two name servers. We just need to give it a few minutes to refresh and take effect. We can refresh, I think. Okay, that is all. This is assigned. We have two links. We have one for production and okay, we can proceed to the next. We get this. This is the CNAME. We copy this. We come back to advanced DNS. We add a record, and that was a CNAME record. The host is www, and the target is this. We save this as well. After saving that, we head back to name servers as well. We already enabled, and we should give it as well some time. Refresh. Give it some time just to make sure we on. Yeah, so here I think you can see good news. Your DNS records are set up correctly, but it can take some time for them to propagate globally, so we give it some time. Okay, like I told you, the moment you enable Vercel DNS, they will automatically get you an SSL certificate. So that's the reason we didn't add to cart the SSL certificate when you were purchasing the purchasing the domain. So this is it, and I think after this, at this point, everything is okay. Sometimes it takes some few hours for the link to work, and sometimes it works instantly. So for this case, we shall check and see. We shall head back to general. So okay, let me go back to domains, and I will try to access this and see if it is on now. Sometimes it takes time, sometimes okay. I think this is now fine. We are on. This is already, I think you can see our site is already online, configured well, and the movelogsd.com is already up. It is instant. So this is how you set up and configure DNS records. Stay touched. Next time I will show you how to use how to configure custom emails using using Zoho. Yeah, I'll use Zoho for the custom mails, still for the same site. Stay with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit